the aircraft and its crew from Lufttransportgeschwader, or Air Transport Wing 62, based at Wunstorf, and the crew headed by Major Christopher Heik.
Yes, thanks Ben. I'm Ed Horn from Airbus Defence and Space, the Senior Military Advisor on A-400M. And yes, you saw them take off using around about 3,000 feet of the runway. Lightweight aircraft this afternoon, the A-400M, maximum takeoff weight of 141 tonnes and 37 tonnes of payload all around the world.
What we have here is a transport suited both to the strategic and tactical airlift missions, isn't it?
Yes, A-400M develops from the
Of 7 EU member states.
An A400M is operated, of course, here in the UK by the Royal Air Force. We're seeing the Luftwaffe aircraft now, but also France, Spain, Turkey, Belgium, Luxembourg, Indonesia. Aircraft. I've seen pictures of it. It looks absolutely fabulous. Yes, the paint job's fantastic. Yes,